Deep in the shadows of our world, nature hides secrets that defy imagination. Welcome to the realm of the weirdest plants on Earth. Our journey begins with a killer, the Venus flytrap. Found only in the wetlands of the Carolinas, this plant doesn't just consume sunlight, it eats meat. Tiny hairs inside its jaws sense the slightest touch. One wrong move, and snap, an insect meets its end in less than a second. But lurking deeper is a giant that tricks the senses, the corpse flower. Native to Sumatra, it stands over 10 feet tall, blooming once every few years. Its fragrance? The stench of rotting flesh. This foul odor lures in pollinators like flies and beetles, turning decay into new life. In the barren deserts of southern Africa, deception is survival. Meet lithops, the living stones. Disguised as pebbles, they evade predators in plain sight. One false step, and you'd never know these rocks are alive. Hidden among the leaves is the Rafia, the world's largest single flower. It has no roots, no leaves, just a massive bloom that smells like, you guessed it, rotting meat. Parasitic and elusive, it feeds off other plants, revealing itself only when it's ready to reproduce. Under the Australian sun, the sundew sparkles with what looks like morning dew. But beware, those glistening droplets are sticky traps. Once an insect lands, there's no escape. The more it struggles, the tighter the grip. And then there's the sensitive plant. A touch, even a whisper of wind, and its leaves fold inward. Is it fear or strategy? By shrinking away, it startles herbivores, making them think twice about snacking. These are not just plants, they're nature's masterpieces, strange, mysterious, and utterly fascinating. Which of these botanical wonders surprised you the most? Dive into the comments and let us know. And if you crave more astonishing facts, hit that subscribe button. The world is full of secrets, and we're just getting started.